Hi, Leanne, Realty One Group, Inspirada TV. We are here at this one-story home and we want to bring you in and show you around.
And it does have a 3-car garage, and I wanted to point out before we step in, we're right on the edge of Inspirada. So up that ridge is Sun City Anthem. So we're right in the back. And this is our last house of the day. We are starving. It's almost 7:30. Oh, yeah. Look at that.
This is a gorgeous house. The flooring is everything. I love it.
So 10-foot ceilings, 8-foot doors. Speaking of doors, check out these cool barn door sliders.
That is an amazing, that is the den. This house has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a den.
Yeah, look at this.
It is 1 story. It is priced at $779,000. Super cool.
How many square feet?
It is 23 square foot.
You know, this feels bigger than 25.
Yeah, because it's so open. I mean, it has the doors here and the doors there, so you could open this all up to the outside as well. Gorgeous. I love this wall.
Can you get the light on with the fan remote?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, gorgeous slab right here. Was this a model? I swear it feels like it was a model.
It does feel like it. Those cabinets.
Okay, so 42s and the extra. KitchenAid cooktop. And I love that there's a drawer here, which is so awesome if you have like pans to put them in there.
Ah, there we go.
Okay, so even like a little desk area, which is kind of cool.
Oh, I love that the island is the antique white cabinets.
KitchenAid.
Gorgeous. Yeah.
Dishwasher. Ooh, even the handles. The handle is attractive. Okay.
Wow, this is gorgeous.
So all KitchenAid throughout.
Yeah.
Everything stays, yes?
Yes. There's also a dishwasher, a washer and dryer.
All right, so good size pantry.
Yeah.
Okay, so, gosh.
I love that. Indoor, outdoor, buddy.
So.
Is that a walkway or something?
Just more of like a super huge jacuzzi type pebble tech.
There's a fire pit on the other side. That's great.
So you're backing up to green space. So I think that's a walking trail there.
Bike trail, yeah. That's gorgeous.
So heated. Yeah, fire pit, like Leanne said. Oh, I'm surprised there's only 1 unit. I didn't see one on the other side.
Great outdoor space.
This space, though, is just
beautiful.
You want to check out the secondary bedrooms first?
Yeah, let's do that.
Again, I just one more shot of that shower. Because with the 10-foot ceilings, it's just so impressive. All right, so we'll come in here. This is the bedroom on the front of the street. There we go. Found the light on the remote.
These are great sized bedrooms.
Yeah, they are. And again, with the ceilings being so high.
Yeah, it gives it more volume.
So nice kind of a double tiered closets. So dual vanity.
It's a Jack and Jill.
Can you look at the notes? Is there anything that this was a model? Because I'm telling you, it feels like model home. Wow, even this wallpaper is super amazing. Okay, I didn't get the shower. So tub, shower. This would be bedroom number 2.
It does say it is a Toll Brothers home, which is amazing.
Yeah.
But it doesn't say anything about being a former model.
Okay.
So I don't know. Doesn't mean that it's not.
No, but these people, maybe they went to the model and copied everything that was in the model, because this is,
yeah, it is
super gorgeous.
Lots and lots of upgrades in this for sure.
Right, so
the garage has epoxy flooring too. Wow, now that you could do a lot of laundry in there.
Good. So laundry sink. More cabinets down here. Let's just jump into the garage, have a look-see, because it's 3-car garage. So tankless water heater, water softener.
Storage up top.
Door out to the garage. To the side yard. So yeah, plenty of storage. Head over to the primary. Coat closets over here. So, and we started shooting these walkthrough videos like this, and we're dubbing it Inspirada TV, because we've noticed a lot of people are watching on televisions now. So what a way to maximize your screen.
I love that there's a door out to the outdoor patio too.
Glass door.
Mm-hmm. Gorgeous.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Look at this.
This is gorgeous. Yes.
And it's tough to get everything in
the
frame landscape-wise, but it's really impressive.
Did you show them the closet when you were in there? Because it's gorgeous.
So rain shower. And again, we will also shoot a vertical video of this, which kind of is almost better given the size of this home. It feels a lot bigger than 2,500.
It really does. It really does.
I feel like this lives like a 3,000 square foot.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, so I think we've covered everything, huh?
We have.
And this is the wrap up. Jeff Nix, Realty One Group, homesandinspirada.com. We do this every week. We've got close to 70 video tours right now. Our website, homesandinspirada.com, has every listing from every brokerage. So no need to search multiple sites. It's all here. If you want to see this home, just reach out to us. We're always out here. And please like and subscribe to our channel. We are trying to grow this, and we appreciate the support. Thanks.